Hope my phone screen is visible.
Yes, visible.
Okay. So just think about, I'm just taking this little bit down. Yeah.
Mhm,
So I'm one of a customer
mhm,
of yours. Currently, just think about
mhm.
this demo that we are giving this demo for your brand.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And I'm one of a customer, but because I need to use certain channels, so I am using my Oripe channel right now.
Okay.
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 So I'll just quickly go and say hi. So one of your customer is trying to connect, and because this demo is prepared for a e-commerce vertical, so which is pretty much similar, it's gonna be, but here the
Mhm,
items are pretty much different, like electronics equipment. But in your
mhm.
case, it will be all wearable items, basically.
Yes. Okay.
So currently, as a customer, I say, okay, I can see, what are the different electronics items. I can go to
Mhm,
home appliances. I can even check my cart. If I have
mhm,
any inquiry, I can ask the inquiry. If I want to talk to anyone, to your support team as a live chat, one-on-one human conversation, I can
mhm.
do that, by the way, with this
Okay.
option. Now I
Okay.
have fledged flexibility. Even I can type anything. Okay, it's a WhatsApp, so I can type anything as a chat.
Mhm.
And I can even put a voice command also, like what we do in, normally voice command. Anything will work. But being WhatsApp, the things are pretty simple for me. So what I said, okay, let's go to electronics. So I
Okay.
just pressed one, because you can see at top electronics is there. So it says immediately that, how you want to search. Do you want to search based on category, or do you want to say searched on basically brand?
Mhm,
Okay. I say, okay, I'm good at category.
mhm,
So now once I say that, okay, so these are the below categories, like, you want TV, you want mobile, you want laptop, what you are looking for. I said,
mhm.
okay, I actually look for a TV. So now it says, okay, Sujit, here you go. What specific, so currently we have Samsung, MI, and Realme.
Okay.
These three brands, which one you prefer? You want 32 inches, or are you looking for 40 inches?
Mhm,
Okay, so I said, yeah, I'm good at 30 inches. I actually 32 inches. Now
mhm.
it immediately triggers that, these are the 332 inches products are available. Now I'll try to show you. So a product, a brief description, and you can go ahead in detail as well. So this is Samsung,
Mhm.
this is MI, and this is Realme. All the products is being displayed immediately.
Okay.
Okay. Now, as I am interested in Samsung, so I said, okay, I am interested in Samsung. So show me more details of Samsung. Now, it gives me the complete product detail, the price, the model, type of detail, all the product specific detail.
Mhm.
Okay. I can straight away from here go to product page. So there is a link also available for product page, which will connect me to the website. I have
Okay.
unboxing video as well available. So video also, if required, a video can be also associated like an image. You can play a video at the top as well.
Okay.
So any type of a content, the idea of showing it, any type of a content can be sent or shared to the customer based on their preferences.
Right.
Okay.
Huh.
And you can send PDF, you can send images, you can send videos, all everything, whatever you think of.
Mhm.
Now, what the options are left? I look into all the detail. I have an option. Can I buy this product, or what are the other options available? So,
Mhm.
okay. So right now, I'm just saying, let's go for buy now.
Mhm.
So it says, okay, what's your address? May I know your address? So I can provide my details, like what are my below address. So I'm saying, let's assume I'm just putting it as, just let me put it down. I'll say HSR layout just for a sake. H. So I'm just taking a little bit. Let me take this little bit down. I don't know why the Teams is coming up here.
So Pooja, I remember you mentioning last time that
Yeah.
you have your customers always come to you inquiring about, let's say, measurement and different fabric and everything,
Right,
right?
right, right,
So
right,
all those questions can be incorporated in this flow. Like how Sujit is showing over here, this is for electronics. So we can do a similar design for your fabric and measurement inquiry as well.
right. Also, would there be an option where we are connecting them and then they get these messages?
Yes,
Suppose say, uh
absolutely.
so suppose
Absolutely.
say if somebody has placed one order with us and
Mhm.
then they are not aware as to okay, it's going to be made to order and they need measurements for this. They
Correct.
just thought that okay, I have placed one S size ka one lehenga, so it will be standard S size. So what happens then? We message them, say suppose hi or hello, and then when they get back to us they get again these options, and then as per that we get their measurements also. So that
Absolutely.
also can be done. Okay,
That
Yes,
can
okay,
be.
that.
Now
okay.
here, I'm just trying to show you few more additional thing. So now
Hmm.
you see, I have provided my address. I have provided because being a new user, all the details has been taken.
Hmm.
This is my address, this is my phone detail, who is this user, everything. Now, once I go to payments, now payments basically can be two methods as online payments as well as COD. So when I say online payment, you can integrate with your existing gateway, payment gateway.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Now, there can be two scenarios. The customer may be coming in WhatsApp and asking for COD, as well as
Hmm.
customer may be going to your portal, the existing portal, and asking for a COD.
Right, right,
Correct. So let's
right.
say what happens in COD when I say, okay, I am for cash on delivery. So let's assume the customer also came and went to cash on delivery. So now it
Hmm.
says, okay, do you want to confirm because this is a cash on delivery? Do you want to confirm yes or no? I said yes, confirmed.
Hmm.
Now, so it gives me a brief that, hey, Sujit, the cash on delivery of Samsung this, product this, on below address is confirmed. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now, very interestingly, now you can design that if this is a cash on delivery, the customer should be reached back after, say, whatever period you decide.
Hmm.
So automatically, a message will be pushed to the customer that, hey, Sujit, this item is you ordered for cash and delivery. Do you want to confirm or not?
Okay, okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
currently it's been kept for 1 minute. So within 1 minute, you will see this message coming into my screen.
Hmm.
So that's how you can design certain prerequisite templates within the system. And you can integrate to any of your applications.
Okay. So this is now when we are talking to a customer, they purchase something. Now they
Correct.
want to go for COD and then they are confirming.
Correct.
Can this be integrated through website also? Suppose now there are a lot of COD orders that have been placed on the website. So
Correct.
what we do, we call them or we drop them a message asking for a confirmation. Now,
Correct.
there are these third party apps that can be used or integrated, say,
Mhm.
in terms of like an IVR call or OTP confirmation. So, can
Correct.
that be integrated through ORI
Absolutely.
as well?
Absolutely. So now you have a power, the API which we will give you,
Mm-hmm.
that API. Now, can you see it's an automatic message suddenly happened? Some message
Mm-hmm.
came to me.
Okay.
So within 1 minute, this is being triggered that this was your product.
Hmm.
Sujit, please look at this. Please find the above detail for the product in below address like this. Please confirm your request for COD. Again,
Okay.
so this is a out of anything. This is one of type of a message, but you can generate any type of a message. All the product detail, everything is being sent. Now, the best thing is this is can be also triggered through a API.
Okay.
And the customer will receive this notification like I received it in my WhatsApp, will receive the same notification over WhatsApp.
Okay. So, like how we get order confirmation mails and
Exactly.
SMS,
Exactly.
similarly, we get one on WhatsApp. And
Yeah.
if we are having the right kind of inputs already fed into the system, then
Mm,
they can go ahead and confirm the COD order.
absolutely.
Okay.
And once I say confirm, you can
Hmm.
trigger that what value it needs to go back to your system.
Okay.
Because you have always one system available with you, right? Where you track the complete order, what type of a order it is, which user, what payment method, correct? So end of the day, once I say confirm, there can be one trigger. Yes, this customer has confirmed the COD.
Okay.
Before before even starting the shipment, you can trigger this message automatically.
Okay.
Now, what else you can do? Okay, let's assume you are one of a customer of ours, and in the portal, I can straight away write TV also. I'm just in the, rather than coming from any of the flow, I can write straight away TV and it will take me to the same flow. I can write 32 inches TV and it will go to the straight away to that product. Okay. Now this time I am saying, okay, I don't want to buy. I just want to keep it into my cart.
Okay.
Okay. I can also keep the similar thing into my cart. So I can keep the whole product in my cart. Now there can be one scenario that the user kept certain product in the cart and you want to notify that particular customer that these are the product lying in your cart right now. Go and look into this.
Yes.
Okay. So how this works? So let's assume you or I, both of us, one of a customer, and kept certain items in the cart. Okay.
Right.
Now, Pooja, can I know if I'm just confirming your number, WhatsApp number? It's
Yes.
8560600329.
Correct.
Now, just check you have received one notification.
1 second. Yes. Okay, so this is pending in my cart. Reply with ST.
So once you reply with ST, then you decide that what needs to be done.
Okay.
So now
it's case sensitive, so I have to type S capital T capital.
No, nothing. You don't need to bother. You can anything.
Okay,
Like,
okay. Okay,
you
got it.
can type. So the keyword is ST. You can type ST in any form.
Okay.
Okay. Once you type, then I can as the action. So now the action can be taken that what you want. Do you want any support team to be come into and talk to you, or you want some automatic message?
Okay.
So you can design both of them in the system.
Okay. So whatever automatic messages are being sent, we don't need an agent at that time.
Exactly.
Once we select to speak to someone, like how we have this option in Swiggy when they want to talk to an agent, that is when the agent comes into picture.
Yeah, absolutely.
So then like how we have our most of our websites made through Shopify.
Correct.
And we have abandoned checkouts, we contact them. So that can be integrated, and then the WhatsApp messages go to them that you have left something in your cart.
Yeah, anywhere. It's just a API. Wherever you want to integrate, you can integrate this.
Okay, got it.
Any application, it can be your website. If you have a Shopify, you can integrate in Shopify. If you are moving to any other applications also.
Okay, got it.
Like you do, let's assume if I remove WhatsApp, you do SMS also, right?
Yes. So for abandoned checkouts, they get SMS also and also emails. And we contact with them on call or on WhatsApp to confirm the order.
Now just remove SMS and plug the WhatsApp API.
Okay. Got it.
Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just sharing my desktop back. So this time what you're gonna see is basically my system. Hope my desktop is visible. Now I can see all the users here and I can see you as well. So now if you want your support team to come and respond to you, they can have a one-on-one chat with you.
Okay.
And this is, immediate. If I say, hey, Just see you are receiving. If you reply back, I will see all the messages here.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now your support team doesn't require to have WhatsApp in place. They just need the platform, and everything is being created here. The whole flow. So if you look at the whole flow is being created like this. So if now new user comes, what message I have shown you? Let me show you the television where we were accessing. So this is how the whole flow is being designed. You see what data, everything. And once you design, then you say that where you want to deploy. Like I have
Got it.
shown you in WhatsApp, it can be your Facebook, it can be your website. Now, the best part is all the users is in one place. You don't need to go anywhere else.
Okay, so suppose if somebody is contacting on Instagram through direct messages or on comments. So
Correct.
on comments, usually it is for price points, and direct messages can be price points or else any kind of a status, order status.
Order status. Correct.
So if they are messaging on Instagram, if we integrate it, then we
Yeah.
get the messages here, and from here the replies will go again automatically, or for that we'll have to do manually, because I think
You
for
can
some of the,
decide.
okay, that we can decide, right?
Yeah, absolutely. If you want that, if the customer is my existing customer, let's assume
Mhm.
there can be two scenarios. It can be a new customer, it can be existing customer.
Yes,
If it's a new customer, then you decide that, okay, if it's a new customer coming from this ad, what things I need to show?
right.
Okay, you can
Not
decide.
necessarily ads, but through our normal Instagram post or
Normal message.
stories also.
Yeah. Normal messages also.
And how do they track the order status? So for order status, I'm sure we'll have to be present, right? Like they have to talk to an agent. So if
Very interesting. Now, for order status, there can be two ways. If you can give me a API,
Hmm.
okay, where currently your order status, because if you give me an API, then through that API, if any customer, existing customer asks and comes that, show me, tell me my order status of this. So the API, or I can go back to the system, pick up that order, what is the status, and send it to the customer over WhatsApp.
Okay. So this I think can work very well for the brands we are working with, for the designers we are working with separately for their platform.
Yeah.
Because we can say integrate their website and then we can figure out where the order is. So
Correct.
if it has been shipped, they get the details. If it's still in process, they get the details, and with the delivery timeline that they have placed the order on so and so date, and the general delivery timeline is say 3 weeks. So they'll have
Correct.
to wait for that. But now for our multi-designer platform, we have about 400 plus designers. Now every designer, we have to keep on connecting with them, or as and when they ship the delivery to our warehouse, they send us an email that this delivery has been shipped to the warehouse. From our warehouse in Bangalore, when we ship to the customer, that is when they get the email, which
Okay.
is again through your Shopify. It's integrated to the platform.
Mm.
So now this gap between the designer sending the shipment to the warehouse. So if
Correct.
somebody is connecting with us, then
Mm.
we'll have to inform them by exactly checking what the status is, right?
Yes,
That
absolutely.
okay. So that, yeah, that we can do, that we anyway are doing it, whoever is messaging. So that can be done manually as well, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
That can be done manual. Wherever you decide that what thing will be manual and
Hmm.
which component will be automated, you can decide in the whole platform.
Hmm.
And any point of a time, when you say manual, you can do if let's assume if somebody says like, I have order now, other options. Now, what you can do, you can straight away with selecting certain option, you can say, talk to a human, trigger human takeover.
Okay.
Once you do that, let's assume I do that. I pick this node. Now I can decide that if somebody types this or click this can be straight away clicked to a human takeover. So automatically the call center or the support team will be pinged that, there is someone asking this question. Can you attend it? Like this notification.
Hmm.
You can automate that as well. Now they can come and respond.
Got it. Okay. So this needs to be set up beforehand.
Yeah.
So, okay. So if suppose there is any sale going on, or if there is any delay in delivery, we
Correct.
have to set the dashboard beforehand.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Got it. Okay.
So hope Pooja, all your queries is now I have answered. Anything else you want to know?
Yes. One major query I had that I had discussed on last call. Now, 6degree is a platform. We have
Correct.
our own multi-designer stores, but we
Correct.
also manage other brands and
Yeah.
other designers.
Correct.
So now, if we are having a number,
Mhm.
or that we get a name for, which is now 6degree. So whoever is contacting us, suppose now we have 4 agents. 4 agents have say two WhatsApp business number each, but
Mhm.
so that becomes 8. But the number of clients that we have say is 16.
Okay.
So in terms of naming the app, so Nykaa, when they message, we get a message from Nykaa Fashion. So
Absolutely.
now if say I am representing a shoe brand also, which is not a part of 6degree multi-designer store. It's a separate entity altogether.
Correct.
How do we manage that in terms of naming the app from which they are getting the message? It will come from 6degree platform only. We can't keep on naming every website as with a different name or have a different number for them.
Correct.
So how do we figure that out?
Okay. So as you correctly said, the naming of your core platform, core WhatsApp number will be 6degree.
It will be 6degree, but
Correct.
if I want to say change it to, for example, we are working with Ink 5.
Ah.
So now 6degree, like whoever is purchasing from Ink 5 or whoever has to speak to somebody from Ink 5 cannot get a message from 6degree store.
Absolutely.
They have to
Absolutely.
get a message from Ink 5, and for that then again we'll have to take another number.
Absolutely. Yes.
Sujit, Pooja, if I may, Bhakti this side.
Yeah.
Yes, Bhakti.
Yeah. So I just wanted to answer your query here. So Nykaa,
Yes.
when we purchase, Nykaa has Mac as a brand, okay? Because I
Yes.
mean, I'm able to help you here. So when I purchase Mac, I get a message from Mac itself. Like, I mean, I get a message from Nykaa Fashion that's saying
Huh.
that you have purchased Mac.
So, but then Mac is available in Nykaa Fashion, right?
Right?
So
Right.
that's why you're getting a message from Nykaa Fashion. But
Right.
now, suppose say Ink 5 shoes will be available on 6degree store. So whoever is purchasing from 6degree store, they are fine to get a message from 6degree store, no matter whatever brand they purchase. But whoever is purchasing say from Ink 5 website, for them they would want to get a message from Ink 5 website and not 6degree store.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but then in that case, yeah.
So in that case, definitely you need to keep Ink5 as a separate brand altogether. A WhatsApp channel will be a separate for that
So
brand.
for every brands we'll have to have that many WhatsApp channels.
Yes, absolutely. Because see, end of the day, you are saying your customer is also buying from a separate website. Correct.
So
If the
that means
website entity
yes.
is itself different, then you need to have a separate WhatsApp entity also.
So that means we'll have to have that many WhatsApp numbers. Then how do we manage that? So now if say customers are messaging, at any point of time, and we have 5 to 6 agents who are working together, and all of them are assigned 3 to 4 brands. So do they need to have that many phones, or
No,
can they
not at
just
all.
log into web and then do it?
Yeah.
Do we need to have that many numbers? I mean,
First of all, the answer is you need to have that many numbers.
okay.
Now, how as an agent I will manage? Okay. Let's assume I am an agent. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So these all are different brands.
Okay.
These all are different brands, and each of them have a different WhatsApp number.
Okay.
So can you see it's a separate website is plugged, separate website WhatsApp is being plugged. All of them. Now, being an agent, I have a privilege that I don't need to, install or look into other 5, 6, 7 different, I will say numbers. For me, the notification is one.
Okay.
I can manage as an agent. I can manage all the brands in my category.
But then, if suppose I, as a customer, am messaging, and you are there on the other side, you are the brand to whom I'm talking to. Now, you will reply to me from your WhatsApp phone, or
No,
you can reply to me from this web.
no, not at all. Can you just the message which you have received? Can you just
Yes.
anything type anything?
1 second.
Hold on, I'll just remove this first. Hold on, and just give me a minute. I am just making myself off. I'll just do small setting because I was running it automatic. Yeah. Yeah, just message that.
Yeah.
As you did, can you see? I got a notified. Hi. Now I click this. Okay. And I say, I got your number. Okay. I may be not knowing your name, but I got your number. I know I can see your name, but you can push the name here also. I can say, hey, I don't need to have any other things. It's one platform for me.
Right. Okay.
Now, again, if some other customers replies, I go back at home. I just need to see what is coming. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Because, okay, I understood now. Because like how it happens when we are using WhatsApp web generally, your phone has to be near your WhatsApp web. Otherwise, it doesn't connect. So
Correct.
here, that is not the case. Once you are registered, even
Yes.
if you have to take another number, your number need not be there near your laptop.
Absolutely. It's just need to connect to the platform. Now, the next agent comes, they just need to log in. Once they log in, you can decide which brand they want to see. As simple as that. So agent wise, you might have, 3 brands for this, 6 brands for someone else like that. So each agent, you can decide that how many brands they can see.
Got it.
And based on that, they will respond.
Got it.
And no installation, by the way, on their phone. It's a single web dashboard. They can connect and answer. The interesting thing is the same thing they can open in their phone.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. So emails can also be integrated.
Yeah, absolutely. Even WhatsApp can also be integrated. The agents, if somebody comes and you want that agent to be notified over their WhatsApp and say, come back to Urai platform and check, that is also possible.
Okay, so that means suppose I am an agent and I am having 4-5 different WhatsApp numbers for my 4-5 different accounts.
Correct.
But say if there is an escalation, I can be notified on my personal number or whatever business number I'm handling.
Correct.
And I can go back to the web platform to check.
Absolutely.
Okay, okay. Got it.
So currently, if you ask me, we also do the similar thing. We are also following, but all sales and marketing team are following the same thing. All the leads comes to their WhatsApp. Once they receive, they come back to the platform and see what's happening.
Got it. Sounds good, Sujit. Now coming back to the quotation part, what is the quotation for the channel that you would be creating for us? What would be the monthly fee structure?
So I guess Bhakti is the right person to answer that. Bhakti, can you just take it over?
Okay.
Sure, I'll do that.
Yes, Bhakti, tell me.
So
I'm just share.
yeah. So what I'll put is I'm just putting a standard commercial, okay?